Wow, baby Bowser, you are sure good at hide and seek.
Me am always good at hide and go seek.
Oh, brother.
Huh? Oh, hey, Junior.
Hello.
Hey, do you want to play hide and seek with us?
Hide and seek?
Yeah, it's actually one of my favorite games and...
Oh, dear.
Well, what's wrong?
You know, I have a sneeze that just won't come out.
A sneeze that you just can't get out?
Yeah.
Well, that is a problem. What we gonna do, Lemmy?
I know. Maybe we could try to make you sneeze. 'Cause that is always a good thing for you to sneeze.
Good idea. You can find some products that'll make me sneeze.
Okay, what makes people sneeze? I know. Let's try pepper.
Pepper?
Pepper is the only thing that can make you sneeze. Hold on a second. I bet I have some in my shell.
Why do you have pepper in your shell?
Just in case if I want something to eat, of course.
Oh, brother.
Okay. Here we go. There. I sprinkled that all over your nose, and hopefully that can make you sneeze. Well, I thought pepper worked, but I guess not.
No.
Let's try another one. What else can make you sneeze? Ooh, how about, wait, no.
It's hopeless, you guys. I mean, there's no way we can find something that makes me sneeze.
I got an idea. 1 second.
Whoa, where'd he go?
Aha! A feather! A feather can make you sneeze.
Feathers?
Yeah. Baby Bowser, why don't you tickle Junior's nose and try to make him sneeze?
Oh, okay. Me am a great tickler. Coochie coochie coo, Tuna.
Oh, it's working! Keep tickling him, Baby Bowser.
Okay. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Hey, I finally got that sneeze out.
Good job, Baby Bowser.
Thank you.
Oh, man, that was quite an appetite. Whew.
All right, let's play hide and go seek.
Yay!
Okay, I'll be it.
Okay. Here, Lemmy.
Ah, thank you. All right, I'm gonna start counting.
All right, we'll hide.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Achoo! Uh-oh. Achoo! Achoo! Guys! Achoo! Time out! Achoo! Now I can't stop